Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we are going to discuss about operators in TypeScript. Operators are one of the most basic concepts and the mandatory requirements for all the programming languages. In fact, we need to use these operators in each and every lines of our code. An operator is a symbol which operates on a value or data. It represents a specific action on working with data. We have several types of operators which are used in TypeScript. Those are assignment operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, ternary operators, and type operators. There are multiple operators inside each of these types. We will discuss about all of them separately in details in the later videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.